Hello friends, welcome to Buffoon Sachin. Today we are going to learn about how we can create a startup sound. So let's start. Startup sound is the sound when your computer will start, it's going to welcome you. For example, you can hear this.
Welcome session to your PC.
You can also create this with the help of VBS script. So let's start. Step number first, you have to right click, new, text document. Now double click on it. Now here you have to paste the code which is given in the description. Now between this inverted comma here you have to make changes. Here you have to write the text which you want as output from your computer. You can write it any text. I am writing here. Welcome Rahul to your PC. Okay, you can give any text, but remember you have to write between this inverted comma only, and you can write the text length as long as you want. And please don't make any changes with this code, otherwise it will not work. Next step, you have to click on the file, save as. Here in the name box you have to give name, any name you can give. I am giving here one. After the name you have to type dot VBS. In the save as type you have to select all file, and you can save it on anywhere. I am saving it on desktop. Click on save. Now to check whether it is working or not, just double click on it.
Welcome Rahul to your PC.
If you hear the sound, then it is working. Now you have to set this file to your startup. For that, press Win plus R and type here shell dot startup. Press OK. Now here you have to move the file. Now close the folder, and here you done it. Now just restart your PC and it will work. For more video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. If you like the video, press the like button and share this video. Thanks for watching.